We are Cory and Wallace, an early retired couple on a full-time journey around the world. With a passion for exploring new cultures, discovering hidden gems, and enjoying delicious local food, we are on a mission to experience as much of the world as we can.
Today we're celebrating Songkran.
Yes, it is Sunday, April the 13th today. We got a little bit of a taste of it last night, like we said in the previous video. And today we are going to go out and help celebrate the Thai New Year.
There's supposed to be a parade, which is what we're preparing for. So we're given to understand it's close to Old Town. So we're going to go
try to find it
and be part of the celebrations. We'll see what happens.
It should be a pretty crazy day. So come along and find out.
Okay, we've got here relatively unscathed. We didn't have too much difficulty on the bike. We didn't go right into Old Town because that would be crazy today. So we've parked here by that's called the Iron Bridge, which you can just see in the background behind us. And it's now about a 1.5 kilometer walk in towards the Old Town. And we're gonna go to Top Head Gate, I believe it's pronounced. I apologize if I butchered that. And that's where the bulk of the action is going to be. So that's where we're heading now. We're about to encounter people for the first time. Excellent. It's getting more and more rowdy as we go. Lots of vendors on the streets selling water guns in case you don't already have one. Lots of people shooting water guns at random strangers. This is awesome. I am very glad that we parked where we did on the other side of the Iron Bridge because the roads here, now that we're approaching Old Town, are really wet and slick. And definitely on the motorbike, that's not a good thing to be dealing with, especially if you're dealing with people and traffic and stuff like that as well. So yeah, park on the far side of the Iron Bridge and walk the rest of the way in was a great idea. I found that little tidbit off someone in one of the Chiang Mai expat groups on Facebook, and it was a great suggestion. While you're walking around, you're gonna have people come up to you and smear this, like what looks like face paint over your face.
I think it's powder. It's
like talcum powder mixed with water and maybe some color. And it's not harmful, so don't worry about it. What did you say it was about?
Haikuta. I think I saw it on a YouTube channel. It's supposed to be some sort of blessing. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe if we find out, we'll link it up above or something.
Yeah, we'll put a description on the screen. We found all the crazy. This is actually really impressive. There are a lot of food vendors still operating here. Drink vendors. Oops, sorry, gotta watch my step here. And yeah, there's people tossing like buckets of moat water around. So I don't know if I'd necessarily buy any of the food here, but maybe that's just me. It is just one giant party here. What do you think?
Oh, this is a lot of fun. You're just playing waterfront games with random people. It's really fun.
Right here. You gotta go farther.
อกจากใจออกสู่วงใหญ่และพี่น้องจากบ้านขอจะไปบ้านจากโซนีนาดานหาว่าโซอันยังอีก
As you can see, it's absolutely crazy down by the Taipei gate. So we've gotten away from the crazy a little bit. We're just wandering down the main road that heads down through Old Town right now. And we're probably gonna go find a little bit of lunch and then keep going with the crazy.
This is lots of fun.
It really is. Don't know which temple this is, but it's really pretty. It's like a little market area in here today, and it's relatively very quiet and peaceful in here compared to the chaos on the streets.
We are drenched and it is time for lunch. And the restaurant is open. They expect us to be soaking wet, so it's not a big deal. And we came to It's Good Kitchen just because they really do handle gluten-free very well.
I do feel bad though, because we are literally sitting here dripping water everywhere. We weren't the only ones though. I see other people in the same boat as we are, so there's that, I guess.
If you need to walk around with a backpack, make sure it's a dry bag because they will deliberately pour water on the backpack. We have a dry bag, so we've had it since we started traveling and it's been amazing. Also, highly recommended putting your phone in a pouch, even if it is waterproof, with the amount of water that is getting tunneled at it daily or throughout this time. Everybody recommended this. So, I mean, 30 baht, it saves our phone.
I got an iced flower tea is what they call it. This is basically chrysanthemum flower, which is just nice, light, refreshing, a little bit sweet. But check out what Cory got.
I got butterfly pea tea, and I can't even really describe the flavor. I didn't think butterfly pea actually had any flavor to it. They must have added something. It's got a really sour taste to it. Delicious.
And just to be clear, that color is all natural because butterfly pea flower basically makes things blue or purple. So it just looks really, really neat. So I've got a khao soi, which is a traditional North Thai noodle dish, and it's these noodles in a spicy coconut curry broth. So there's these yellow noodles underneath, and then some crispy noodle bits on top, as well as chicken and other stuff. So looks pretty good. Let's give this broth a taste. Ooh, a lot sweeter than I expected. Really spicy actually. Really coconutty and rich. That's really tasty.
I went with Thai chicken and rice and chili. Chef recommended it. It's gluten-free. They've got all the gluten-free sauces. That sauce is really good. It's salty, sweet, sour. It's everything you want.
We were actually done with our lunch. We were gonna go wander back out into the crazy, but the owner actually told us that within the next hour, around 4 o'clock, the main parade that has all the Buddhas is going to come down the main road here, straight down the main street in Old Town, which is Ratchadam Nun Road, and ends at the temple right near this restaurant, which is called Wat Phra Singh. So we decided to come back in. We just ordered a couple smoothies, and we're going to hang out here for the next hour and see the parade from here, rather than try to deal with it from the crazy street. Yes, these are every bit as good as they look.
mango passion and dragon fruit and mango. So good.
Cheers. So to refill your water guns, a lot of the businesses will have buckets with a hose running into it in front, and you basically can just go up and refill as needed. It's really hard to navigate these streets right now. Cory's busy filming the parade, so yes, I am now dual wielding.
วัดเชียงเมืองนี้มีชื่อเรียกในพงศาวดารโยนกว่าวัดทีฆะชีววัดสารามเป็นวัดนามมงคลของนครเชียงใหม่และ
This is so crazy. It's amazing. It's just absolute chaos here. It's incredible. We've never experienced anything like this before.
It's cold. Cold? It's cold, but it's nice.
โดยชาวล้านนาเชื่อว่าปีใหม่คือช่วงที่คุณสังขารหรือสุริยเทพเคลื่อนย้ายจากราศีมีนไปยังราศีมีน
This is definitely a different experience. Usually when we go to like festivals and stuff, the crowds get overwhelming, but because everybody's interacting with everybody and like shooting indiscriminately and getting you wet, it's just a ton of fun.
Yeah, like I said, it's hard to describe until you're actually here. It's nuts, but in a really good way.
Well, Songkran, I would say, was a big hit. I loved it.
Yeah, this is definitely something else. You kind of got to do it to believe it. We knew it was going to be nuts, and it lived up to every expectation we had, and then some.
Yep.
This was a lot of fun. And it's not over. There's still multiple days of Songkran celebrations to come.
Yeah, but this is like the big day. This is where they have the parade, which you guys now saw. And honestly, if you get to do it at least once in your lifetime, I highly recommend it.
Yeah. So thank you guys for joining us for day one of Songkran 2025. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the thumbs up, give it a like, and make sure you subscribe.
And we hope that you'll join us in other videos for new adventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.